Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create filter in Excel. So by using filter functions you can easily find any values from the data. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select any head of column. So after selecting this, so you can see options of data. So just click on it, and here you can see filter options. So just click on it. So when you will click on filter options, you can see drop down arrow is created on the head of column. So after that, if you want to filter or search any values from the year, so just click on it, and here you can see all values of years is selected by default. So just click on it, and if I want to find or filter 2005 values, so just click on it and then click on OK. So you can see only values of 2005 is filtered. So similarly you can find days values. So just click on days. So if I want to find or filter values of Monday, so just click on Monday and then click on OK. So you can see only Monday values is filtered. So in this way you can filter any values. So if you want to find or filter any month, so just click on it, and similarly select here month which you want to find. So here after selecting, so click on OK. You can see only this month is filtered. So similarly you can filter serial number. So here click on it and then select the serial number which you want to filter. So after that click on OK. You can see only 5 serial number is filtered. So guys, in this way you can filter any values or text in the data. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.